use our versatile bracket, simply download the version you want, absolutely free from our webpage, and print as many as you require on your own 3D printer. We offer 3 design styles ready to print for any configuration you may require. Installation is extremely easy. Simply align the front of the dongle on an angle with the front of the bracket and snap them in place with a satisfying click sound so you know they are solidly secure and ready to mount. It's very satisfying. The hole spacing on our brackets meet the industry standard rack mount positions with flexibility. Again, you see the simple installation into the bracket, and the dongle is ready to work in a hardware-in-the-loop environment. The bracket is mounted under the dash with tie straps, and you see a preview of our next-gen dongle with the SD card being inserted, and it is able to conduct standalone data logging using only the 9-pin cable supplying both the power and data to the dongle.